High fire risk across West Texas today and tomorrow, and potentially even Wednesday, with red flag warnings that have been posted for most of the Panhandle and most of West Texas. What you'll notice there, if you can see behind me at San Angelo, we've got a temperature at about 66 degrees with dew points in the teens. Now, relative humidity values could be under 15% this afternoon, which means vegetation out in West Texas is going to be very dry. That increases the fire risk, so if a flame does get going, it could spread very quickly. NWS Fort Worth just posted this graphic, and this shows the relative humidity values. Now, the closer those are to 20 or even 10% in some cases, the higher the fire risk. So you got to be careful. I would highly discourage outdoor burning today. Just don't do it. In East Texas, the fire risk is still elevated, but it's not as high as West Texas. I would discourage outdoor burning, but if you're going to do it, please be very, very careful in East Texas because it's also going to be fairly windy and dry here over the next 2 or 3 days. This week, our focus will then point towards the weekend, where we do have a slight risk of severe weather. This is valid for next Sunday, and it does include North Central and Northeast Texas. It does include our northern counties here in East Texas, but this is a wait-and-see moment, folks. This is a Day 7 outlook, so we'll probably have storms at some point on Sunday, but it could be one of those cases where not everybody sees a storm. But nonetheless, we will keep an eye on it. I guarantee you this will shift to the north, south, east, west. Just depends on where the best atmospheric dynamics set up. We'll keep it in the back of mind, but I wouldn't stress too much about this right now.